Fidelia, popularly known as AKWAUGOIGBO1. In our last class, we discussed about 36 alphabets in Igbo language. Today, we are going to group them into two, starting with Daume, which is vowels, and then Mgbochume, which is consonant. Okay, friends, we are starting with Odaume. Let's go for Odaume for today. Odaume. We have 8 of them, 8 vowels in Igbo language. They are, we have Otu-A and we have Otu-E. Let's go. Otu-A, Otu-A, we have A, and we have Otu-E. Check them, there are 8. Otu-A, we have A, E, O, U. Otu-E, we have E, I, O, U. So next time, we are going to switch over to Mgbochume, which is consonant. Ana m ekene unu ndị Igbo. Unu sonyere m ụbọchị ọzọ anyị ga-ahụ. Ndewo.